ski resorts are loving it. They're counting on the storm to dump plenty of snow. After all, the drought has hurt them as well. News Channel 3's Tracy Laird joined us live from Santa Barbara. And Tracy, they need to get an awful lot of snow to get those ski runs up just the way they want them.
They do, CJ. The National Ski Area Association reported a downhill dip in ski area visits last year. This could be a game changer for the ski industry and stores like Mountain Air Sports here on State Street.
Last winter I was actually pretty bummed with the forecast. It was pretty small and just not enough snow.
In recent years, California ski resorts have had to rely on snowmaking. Skiers and snowboarders this season are hoping for Mother Nature's powder.
Behind me we have a bunch of our customer skis that are done, and we're having a lot more come in as the weather forecasts are coming out, and the predicted 2 feet of snow is really going to be a big impact on our business here.
Customers are picking up their newly waxed skis and renting or buying equipment. If the Sierra storm pans out, Mammoth Mountain and other areas plan to open every run.
Having the families coming in here for like their Christmas trips that they're going on, especially when you know they're going to have a good time and have good snow. It's a good feeling in here, and everyone's really fired up.
Many ski shops didn't survive the drought. Those that did credit their loyal customers. And with snow coming, many are coming in to buy warm clothing.
I just got some new sweet pants. They actually look like real pants, which I was really...
Lower gas prices are likely to make it easier to afford lift tickets.
People maybe around here will travel more because the gas prices are lower. Maybe make that trip to Mammoth one extra time because they can afford it now.
Also closer to home, Big Bear is hoping for a dusting of snow and at least cooler temperatures so they can make snow. And stores like Mountain Air Sports plan to stay open later next week. It will stay open 2 hours later till 8 o'clock through Christmas. In Santa Barbara, Tracy Laird, News Channel 3.
Okay, very exciting. Thank you, Tracy.